So, well, here is the autopsy that after I finish sewed it back and peeling back again the organs and sewed the specimens again and found out the cause of the death as well. So here it goes. So here is the specimens rat that I had sewed it back after surgery and found out that the cause of the death is because too many bleeding causing by the sharp object that enter to the right side at the back of these rats, only causing clearly the cause of death is internal bleeding and a shock. So this will be the time after I finish made the surgery. So that's it for now from me, Sam.